Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Painter, construction, company, wire brush, scraper, scrapes, surface, plaster, sanding, paint, mixes, scaffolding, roller. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Alex is a painter. Alex works for a construction company. Alex uses a wire brush. Alex removes old paint with a scraper. Alex scrapes an old surface before painting. Alex repaired the wall with plaster. Alex does some sanding. Alex selects the paint color from a chart. Alex mixes the paint. Alex climbs the scaffolding. Alex applies the paint with a roller. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.